You're watching MultiVee Television.
Have you ever wondered how far the moon really is from us? It's a whopping 384,400 kilometers away. But here's a twist. It's not standing still. Oh no, our moon has a bit of wanderlust. Each year it drifts an additional 3.78 centimeters away from us. That's right, every year our moon inches away from us, much like a snail on a leisurely stroll. Imagine that. A snail could technically keep pace with the moon's cosmic retreat. But don't worry, you wouldn't notice this in your lifetime, or your kids, or their kids for that matter. It's a slow dance, a laborious tango that's been going on for billions of years. And it's set to continue for billions more, so in a cosmic slow dance our moon is gradually saying goodbye. But wait, there's a twist in this tale, and it involves our fiery friend, the sun. Now let's talk about the sun, our local star and its impressive age. Approximately 4.57 billion years old. It's been burning brightly for a very long time, but nothing lasts forever, not even stars. Imagine the sun as a humongous balloon, filled not with air but with helium. Over time this balloon is inflating, growing bigger and bigger. This is similar to the sun as it burns through its helium fuel. Eventually the sun will run out of this fuel, triggering an expansion. Just like a balloon that's been inflated too much, it will pop, or rather expand to a monstrous size. This isn't your everyday party balloon, folks. When the sun pops, it's going to be quite the spectacle. So, before our moon can even think about escaping, our sun might just throw the biggest farewell party in the solar system. Let's take a closer look at our sun's helium burning process. You see, the sun, like all stars, is a massive nuclear reactor. At its core, a process called nuclear fusion occurs, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. This fusion releases a tremendous amount of energy, which powers the sun and produces the heat and light that we feel and see on Earth. Now, helium plays a critical role in this process. As the sun uses up its hydrogen, it begins burning helium instead. This transition marks the sun's shift from its main sequence stage, where it spends most of its life, to the red giant phase. During this phase, the sun's core contracts, and its outer layers expand, making it bigger and brighter. So, as our sun ages, it switches from hydrogen to helium, fueling its fiery glow and setting the stage for its eventual expansion. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean for our beloved Earth? Well, let's take a moment to consider the implications of the sun's expansion. Imagine the sun as a voracious celestial beast, slowly but surely growing larger and larger. As it expands, it consumes more and more of the solar system, and Earth, our home, is right in its path. But don't start panicking just yet. This process, while inevitable, is set to occur billions of years from now. And by that time, humanity might have figured out how to hop to a new cosmic address, perhaps even in a different galaxy. So, while it's a little unnerving to think of our beautiful blue planet being swallowed by the sun, let's keep things in perspective. This fiery fate is incredibly distant, and until then, we've got plenty of time to enjoy our spinning rock. So, while our moon is slowly packing its cosmic bags, Earth might already have a one-way ticket to the sun's belly. Let's take a brief moment to summarize this astronomical play that we've been a part of. We've waltzed through the cosmic theater, scrutinizing the moon's gentle but unwavering retreat from Earth, a tiny 3.78 centimeters per annum. It seems as if the moon is tacitly expressing, "It's not you, Earth, it's me," preparing to depart, albeit at a snail's pace. Our journey has also plunged us into the life cycle of our very own star, the sun. Despite being a vibrant 4.57 billion years in age, it's fated to consume all its helium, swell, and morph into a red giant. Certainly not the sort of retirement plan we'd envisioned, and the impact on our cherished Earth? Well, its possible future is likely to feature a fiery, crunchy finale, all thanks to the sun's swelling. It's not the most joyful conclusion, but it certainly lends a spark to our narrative. So, when you gaze at the night sky next time, bear in mind the moon is gradually moving away, yet it's not the one we should be fretting over. It's the sun's forthcoming exploits that might really crank up the temperature. And on that note, what's your favorite fact about the moon? Leave your answers in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cosmic tales.